Antenna assembly. Check the following before unpacking. 1. Whether the antenna appearance is in good condition. 2. Whether installation components are complete according to the packing list. Antenna, fastening clip, anti-fall clamp, fastening support accessory, silica gel, waterproof glue, antenna installation manual. Assembling 0.6 meter antennas. Set the elevation angle of the antenna to -10 degrees. Set the elevation angle of the antenna to +10 degrees. In most cases, the elevation angle is set to 0 degrees.